Stop! Don't let your old leather rot. Today, I'm teaching you how to turn these belts into a $200 designer camera strap, step by step. I chose these for the patina. See this scratch? It gives our gift character. Real leather is boutique gold. Safety is my fortress. Leather needles are sharp, so we always work with our gray protective gloves. Let's start the build. Step 1. Measure 40 inches. Precision is the difference between a strap and a masterpiece.
Use a steady hand. Slice through the thickest part of the belt. Watch the fibers separate. That's quality. Strange tool alert! I'm using a common kitchen fork to mark my stitch spacing. It ensures every thread is perfect.
Oh no, the leather is too thick and my needle snapped. This is a common mistake, but we don't quit. Time for a pilot hole. Hand drill to the rescue. This pilot hole makes the sewing smooth and safe. Problem solved.
Wax thread is essential for durability. It grips the leather and prevents the strap from ever snapping. The saddle stitch. Go through both sides to create a bond that lasts a lifetime. Rhythmic and satisfying. Loop it through the D-ring. This is our anchor point for the camera. Look at that industrial strength.
Step 5. Burnishing. Friction turns the raw edge into a smooth, glossy curve. No splinters here. Shh. And a total transformation. This is a $200 gift for $0. Retail, $200. My cost, $2 for the thread. That's a massive DIY win.